Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I install this kinky curly wig and also how I got scalp in less than 10 minutes, stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay, so the wig we're going to be using today is an Amazon company called Larima hair off of Amazon, and we are working with a 13 by 4 18-inch kinky curly wig, and it is a transparent wig. The wig came pre-plucked. So first thing first, guys, we're going to bleach these knots without using any hard chemicals. So today we are using the Mean Grip knot healer, and pretty much this product bleaches your knots and give you scalp less than 10 minutes. You heard me? Scalp. So all you do is put the product all over the lace, and you don't need a lot of the product. I believe that I maybe put too much on there, but you don't need a lot of the product, and you don't need to press too hard, because if you press too hard the product will go onto the hair. But once you're done putting the product on there, you pretty much use the opposite side of the stick, which is the brush, and pretty much brush the product in all over the lace. So what I love about this product, that it is water resistant and sweat resistant, and this product will last on your lace for at least 2 to 3 washes, you guys. So yeah, love the product. And pretty much once you're finished doing all that, once you finish evenly putting the product all over the whole lace, you pretty much turn it over. Well, you let it dry and then you turn it over, and pretty much you're done. Your knots are bleached. So I'm going to show you the finished product of how it look once I put the wig. And yeah, once you see, your lace is again pretty much bleached without using any hard products. Bam. And that is the finished look. So right now, guys, we are about to install this wig. We are going to install this wig very quickly. And look at you guys, once I put the knot healer on there, look how the lace now matches my skin perfectly. So right now, guys, we're going to fit this wig to my hairline. And once we're done fitting it, I'll be back. Okay guys, so the latest wig down, we are going to be using the Bow Hold Liquid Gold. I have used this product multiple times in my video. I love it because it is a quick way to lay your lace down. Now mind you guys, this is not a adhesive, this is not glue. This is sort of kind of like the Got To Be gel, but instead it's Bow Hold Liquid Gold. And like I said, it's not water resistant and it's not sweat resistant. This is a temporary hold that, can hold your wig down for the people that do not like using glue and just want a temporary hold. So all I pretty much did was place the Bow Hold Liquid Gold onto my hairline. I spreaded it out, and once I'm done spreading it out, I'm just going to blow dry it until it's a little dry and maybe a little tacky. And once it's a little tacky, then I will place my lace over the liquid gold, and then I will let it do its meltdown stage. Pretty much I'll just tie it up and let it sit for, I'll leave it tied up for maybe about 10 minutes, and that's pretty much it. And I'll be back once I finish letting it do its thing. Okay guys, so I let it sit for maybe about 10 minutes. So right now we're just going to pretty much cut the lace off. And once we're done cutting the lace off, we're going to pretty much, I believe, tie it up again and let it sit for a little while, because as you can see, I have parts that of my lace that did not lay down completely. So what I'll do is I'll put more of the liquid gold onto the sections that did not lay down all the way, and I'll tie it up again and I'll be back. Okay guys, so now that my lace is completely laid and slayed and ready to move on to the next process. Okay, so yeah, you guys, I'm gonna use this wax stick to pretty much lay down any, you know, flyaways or anything. So with this wig guys, I decided not to do any baby hairs. And if you guys been watching me for a while, I never ever do a video without baby hairs, but I wanted to try something different. So, and then this lace matched my skin so perfectly, so I decided not to do any baby hairs. So yeah, you guys, so we pretty much gonna hot comb the front of this wig and we're gonna style it, and before you know it, we'll be done. Okay guys, so right now I'm just pretty much finishing up. I'm just messing around, trying to get it to where I like it. And you guys, I am so in love with this wig. I literally took this wig out the pack and I did nothing to it. I didn't have to pluck it. I didn't have to bleach it. I literally did nothing to this wig. And I am in love with it. I'm in love with the texture of the wig. I feel like it looks like my natural hair. So yeah, you guys, I am definitely in love with this wig. But yeah, you guys, I think that's pretty much it when it comes to this video. But y'all already know, before I get out of here, I definitely want to encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week. I upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So definitely hit that notification bell. So every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified of everything that I upload. And yeah, guys, definitely let me know down in the comment section what you thought of this wig and what you thought of how I installed it. And also let me know your thoughts on the wig knot healer, where you can bleach your knots less than 10 minutes. Let me know your thoughts on there, and let me know, would you consider purchasing something like that? But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it, and I will see you guys in my next video.